Unrepeated floor plan. This lovely 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath cottage style is a great charmer in the Richland Subdivision. Just a short drive to shopping and dining options, and ASU Campus. Easy commute to downtown Memphis. Exterior includes recently updated balcony upstairs, inviting patio and refreshing pool. Cross the threshold to a warm welcome that includes beautiful entryway, and open layout, natural lighting, neutral decor, and a wood-burning fireplace in the living room. Roomy, stylish TV-grade kitchen charms with fresh updates, premium appliances, attractive island layout, and granite countertops. The calm primary bedroom includes a walk-in closet and private bath with tub and step-in shower. The other 3 bedrooms, situated above the ground floor for privacy, are unique and designed with plenty of wardrobe storage. Attached 2-car garage.